If you remember, I told you last week how to make dal for the dal bati, but today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the bati for the dal bati. And if you want to make dal bati, you gotta watch both the videos, the dal video and the bati video. If you haven't watched the dal video, link in the descriptions below. Alright, let's walk into the kitchen. Alright, now I am in my kitchen and it was pretty hot outside, but it is cool inside the home. So the ingredients for this are wheat flour, baking soda, fennel seeds, carom seeds, semolina, homemade ghee. Now guys, just for my fun, I have made a well in between. So now I'm gonna add all of the ingredients in between. And now I'm gonna mix this up. Now I think I need my mother's help. See you in the next part of the video. Now guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of water and I'm gonna ask my mother to mix this and make the bati dough out of this. Now the dough is ready, but I forgot to add the turmeric. My mom has already added the turmeric. So we have two different types of bati. One is big and one is small. And the big ones are made in the traditional bati oven, and you may not have this, but I have a trick for you guys. You can make this in the Appa Pan, but it's gonna be a little mini, but I love the mini ones. Let's get started. Now we have preheated the bati oven. Now we're gonna put the big batis in it. Now for the small batis, we're gonna have to put the ghee on the bottom so the mini batis don't stick at the bottom, and you have to bake it until it gets brown. It's gonna take 10 to 15 minutes. Now guys, I think our mini batis are ready. Let's have a look. It has been brown from every single side. And the big batis will take 5 more minutes. So we're gonna wait 5 more minutes till we taste the bati. Looks like our bati is ready. Mini, big, all are ready. So now, this was the video guys. If you liked the video,